Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So as we all know that we are having our aim for agriculture series, aim for agriculture series where we are having daily answer writing practice plus weekly full tests. Okay, so and we many students have joined it and they are writing very good answers on regular basis. So today we are going to discuss the answer copy of day 12. We have already discussed the answer copies up to day 11 and we have already discussed two full tests. So today we are going to discuss the answer copy of day 12. So let's see how the student have written the answer, and you can also read these answers so that you can also develop your own approach by reading these types of answer. You will get a certain ideas how to approach the answer, for which points we have to write, how to add examples. So these things will be very helpful to you. So let's see how the student has approached the answer for these questions. The first question of day 12 was difference between transpiration and guttation. So let's see what is the difference between transpiration and guttation. Fairly introduced. Then you can pause the video and read the answers also if you want. Okay. So transpiration, we all know that here the moisture comes in the form of water vapor from stomata, and in guttation here the liquid water is extracted. Here the water comes out in liquid form only from hydrathodes. You can see well nicely diagrammatic representation has been made. Mechanism has been written. You can pause and read the answers. State of water, here it is in form of water vapor, here it is in form of liquid. Environmental conditions, transpiration generally occur during day when stomata is open, but guttation has nothing to do with stomata. Okay, it typically occurs at night or early morning. What are its effects on plant, what are its examples? So everything is nicely written. You can pause the video and read the answers and then concluded nicely. So this was the first question. Now let's move to the second question, that is write a note on farm budgeting. So what is farm budgeting? So farm budgeting is a financial planning tool used by the farmers to manage their resources effectively and profitability. So this is what farm budgeting is. As you can see in the introduction, student has also write certain datas. Okay, so whenever you write data, whenever you write example, that enhances your answer. And whenever you are writing data, please write the source of data. As you can see, the student has written the source is, that is NABARD. As per NABARD, according to NABARD annual report of 2022-23 indicates 19 lakh crore was distinct as agricultural credit, disbursed as agricultural credit to farmers. Okay, so this type of data will enhance your answer, but always write source of your data if you can. Okay, now let's, this one is also written the components of farm budgeting, that is revenue projection, cost estimates, profit analysis. You can pause the video and read these things in detail. Cash flow management types have been also mentioned, that is partial budgeting, complete budgeting. Partial budgeting, that is for a particular enterprises. When you do budgeting for a particular enterprises for a particular time, that is partial budgeting. But when you do for the complete farm, taking the complete farm as a whole unit, then it is known as complete budgeting. Advantages have been also mentioned: improved financial planning, better decision making, risk management, enhanced productivity. So very well written answer. Challenges have been also mentioned. So you can, such as accurate data, difficult to obtain accurate data, fluctuation in prices, there is environmental changes, weather changes, climate change, and one more problem, changing policies and regulations. So very well written answer. You can pause the video and read the answers in detail. So this was the second question. The third question was, what is soil erosion? Discuss its types in detail. So let's see how the student has approached the answer. Obviously, soil erosion is defined. Examples have been written. The types of soil erosion, wind erosion. Although the student could have written the types of wind erosion, which I have mentioned here, which is not mentioned in the answer, such as suspension, siltation, creep. So these are the types of wind erosion which needs to be mentioned. Ice erosion, then thermal erosion, mass movements. Water erosion has been nicely written. Like water erosion, if the student has written the types of wind erosion also, because water erosion and wind erosion are the most important types, that too needs to be mentioned, and their subtypes needs to be mentioned. Subtypes of water erosion has been nicely mentioned. You can read it: the seat erosion, wheel erosion, gully erosion, stream bank erosion, or you can see ravines. So very good written answer, well written answer. But if the student had been written the types of wind erosion also, it would have more enhanced answer. So you can pause the video and read the answer in detail, and again conclude it very well. So this was the answer of day 12, answer of day 12. I hope you understand the questions and understand the answer, how to approach them, because by reading these answers, by understanding the process. So these types, by reading these types of answer copies, it always gives you a kind of structure in your mind to how to approach answers, and that helps you a lot in when you are writing answer. So I hope this video is liked by you. So please do like if you like it, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make these videos for your regular basis, to run these programs for you. So if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such content for agriculture optional, for so that the students get the highest amount of benefit in the least amount of cost. And everything is free on YouTube, you all know. But whichever programs also run, these are at very basic cost, 10 times, or I can say 10 to 15 times in lower cost as compared to coaching institutes. So those, this can be helpful to you. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you. If you like it, please like, please share it, and please subscribe it. It will motivate us.